amazing how to manifest anything at lightning speed. Manifest like God using the secret law of attraction. In this video, I'm going to tell you something so powerful that it's going to make your head spin, because when you start to manifest things at lightning speed, you will say, it's so simple. It really is simple in order to manifest things super fast. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to manifest like God. How many of you remember when God said, let there be light, and then there was light? And I know that kind of perplexed a lot of people, and you probably wonder, how was light able to just manifest so easily? Because God was simply explaining the capability that he have, which is the same capability that we all have, because we were made exclusively in the image of God. Okay, so that means that we have the power to create and manifest anything into our experience at lightning speed, just like God, using the power of our imagination. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I am TreniuS Henderson. I am your life coach. Be sure, don't forget to subscribe after this channel. I said channel. After this video, so that you can be updated with more videos just like this every single day. All right, let's get down into it. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Okay, when I say lightning speed, that's exactly what I mean. Okay, but the thing that you have to have in order to manifest that lightning speed is confidence. You have to wholeheartedly believe in everything that you say and know that what you say has been spoken like God, and there is no shadow of a doubt, or there's no worrying that's gonna come after you speak these things that you want into existence to try to knock what you want out of existence. Okay, you have to be a confident speaker, you have to be a confident believer, you have to believe 100% in the thing that you want and that you speak into the universe. I'm going to get it, that you're really actually going to get it. And this is how fast, the determining factor of how fast manifestation is able to come into your life. Some people, when they use the law of attraction and they speak things into existence, they have a really soft belief in their very own intention. You know, it's very timid, you know, it's very weak. And then 2 weeks later, they're wondering if what they said is true, or if what they said is actually going to come into manifestation. You know, most people don't really even believe in themselves, okay? So they have a very low confidence, okay? But when you've seen manifestation happen over and over and over again in your life, which I'm pretty sure you have if you tune into this video, then that should give you a confidence booster to be able to believe the next time that you say something and speak it into existence, that it's going to come at lightning speed. And so your confidence right now is super high. And this is what it takes to manifest things at lightning speed. It's the degree of how much you believe what you speak into existence. I'll give you an example. Let's say that you wanted to manifest $187,000 at lightning speed, and you wanted to manifest this $187,000 by June the 20th, okay? Now, after you've spoken that manifestation out into the universe, at that very second, it is done according to your belief. So if you feel 100% that you're really going to get $187,000, as a matter of fact, right when you're speaking it, you're smiling. You really feel confident about it. You can feel the energy of what it would be like to actually possess the $187,000. And you know that when you speak things into existence before June 20th, you're going to get exactly what it is that you are wanting. Okay, if you believe that 100%, the universe will go to work, and by the time June 20th gets here, you will have connected all of the dots that the universe is bringing into your existence in order for you to actually possess that $187,000. This is how it works. Okay. So the thing is, here's the thing that a lot of people, you know, get confused about. They want to see the instruction manual. They want to know how it's going to happen. They want to understand the universe. They want to know how things are going to line up. And so if they can't see how it's going to happen, then they don't believe it. Okay. And so guess what happens? They don't receive it because they are in disbelief of how the things is going to manifest into their life. But the truth of the reality is Nobody ever has a clue of how it's going to manifest. Everything that you ever wanted in your life that you didn't have before, when you wanted it, you never knew how it would come into your existence. You never knew how it will manifest. But by some strange, mysterious power, it just came into your life, right? Every great successful person that became successful, they never knew how the universe would align up their success. All they know is that they believed that they wanted to become successful, and they spoke it into existence, and they believed it, and they acted upon it, and they knew without a shadow of a doubt they were going to get to where they got to go. And by some mysterious force, they got exactly what they asked for, okay? Because they believed in their imagination. They saw themselves already at their destination in their imagination. They saw what it would be like when they had what they wanted. They felt like a rich millionaire before they became a millionaire. He felt like a incredible CEO of a big corporation, and then he became the CEO of a very big corporation. It's all about what you see in your imagination, because the imagination is the power of God. And so what will happen is, once you've spoken that manifestation into in existence, okay, and you believe it 100% to the point that you just let it go. You don't even worry about it no more. You don't even have to talk about it no more, because you already know the power of the universe and you've seen it work several times before. So you just are able to just let it go and just do. And then you know that the universe is going to use its miraculous powers to be able to give you the circumstances and the situations that you're going to need in order to align up with where you want to go or what you want to receive. And it's just going to materialize. It's going to materialize into your life. It's going to permeate into your reality without you even understanding or knowing how it is coming into your reality. But the only way you're going to be able to manifest at lightning speed is if you 100% believe and have great confidence that the thing that you're speaking into the universe is going to come to you, okay? You can't be like regular people who want to use the law of attraction and manifest things, but they constantly doubt. They constantly worry. They have shadows in their mind about the thing that they want. They don't even believe that what they have said is going to come. And so it never comes, okay? The key to manifesting anything at lightning speed and manifesting like God is simply holding it in your imagination, what you want. You got to hold it in your imagination. You got to know what it feels like by the feelings of the thoughts that your mind is going to create in your imagination. And you got to hold it. And you have to lock it there. And you have to lock on to that target in your imagination without having any distractions disturb your thought life. Okay, this is another thing that keep a lot of people from manifesting at lightning speed, manifesting like God. They don't know how to lock on to what they are wanting to manifest, because their mind is constantly letting negative thoughts of things that have nothing to do with the target destination dwell in their mind. You know, the more you focus on other things outside of where you're trying to go, the slower the manifestation is going to come into your life, and it's not going to be at lightning speed. I'm going to say that one more time. If you're the type of person who is easily distracted by negative chatter, chit chat, or voices in your mind that are telling you about opinions of other people or something that happened last week or the things that are not going right in your life, and you're still trying to focus on this target goal of where you want to go, it's not going to manifest at lightning speed. In order to manifest something at lightning speed, you have to hold it in your imagination and lock it in your imagination. Okay, you have to lock the manifestation in your imagination, and you have to close all doors to all distractions that want to disturb your mind until you actually get your manifestation. Okay, you got to believe that your manifestation is going to come at lightning speed so much. You have to be so focused on the manifestation that when you go around other people, even they believe that what you are wanting to receive is going to come to you. Okay, you ever heard that song, I'm a win, win, win no matter what? Who sings that song? T-Pain. T-Pain says he's going to win, win, win no matter what. Okay, That's because he believes in a win attitude, to the point that everybody who listens to T-Pain believes that T-Pain is a winner. What's the other guy who's also from Florida? DJ Khaled. He has a motto that goes like, "We the best." DJ Khaled thinks that he is the best. He believes it in his imagination. He holds it in his imagination that he is the best. Okay? And so guess what? All of his fans and everybody that listened to him, we know who he see himself as. And so we believe in his manifestation with him. He's the best. That's DJ Khaled. It's the first intuition that comes to my mind when I think about DJ Khaled. He the best because we the best. Comment below right now if this video is resonate with you, and give it a thumbs up and say, "We the best," and put your name beside it. Because your manifestations are going to begin to come at lightning speed. Folks, this manifestation stuff is so simple that it's actually profound, okay? Most people make it more than what it really is, okay? But it really, truly is so simple that it's profound. All it is a matter of believing in what you say and knowing that what you say must come to pass, and that you're not in control of how it's going to come to pass, because that's the universe's job in order to assure you that it will come to pass. But you can best believe the people that you meet are in contribution to your manifestation. The situations that you are in right now, you have to be such a believer of your manifestation that you have to believe that your situation is contributing to your manifestation. Even if it's bad and things are going bad right now, you still have to believe in your manifestation so much that even if you think that bad things are happening, then that's still in contribution to your manifestation. You got to believe that everywhere you go and everyone you meet and everything that the universe aligns you up to be able to do, it's a part of your manifestation. And if you believe like this will permeate your whole reality to where your manifestation will come into existence at lightning speed, and you will be manifesting like God. And you'll say, Tren was right, because I got my manifestation at lightning speed just that fast, folks. So this is how you manifest anything at lightning speed. Manifest like God using the secret law of attraction. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm TreniuS Henderson. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking that face icon up there. And hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos like these two right here every single day. See you in the next video. Peace.